Welcome to day 18 of our journaling journey. Today, we're exploring the idea of embracing change. Setting an intention is key, so consider the power of reflecting on your growth. Think of a time when you took a leap into the unfamiliar, perhaps shifting gears in your career or learning a new skill. Share this experience in your journal. Describe the situation, your hesitations, the journey, and the lessons you learned. For example, I once decided to shift gears in my career, and it was daunting. Adapting to the new work environment and learning from scratch was tough. I often questioned my decision at first. However, with time, I started to adapt, gaining new skills and expertise. This experience taught me patience, resilience, and the value of continuous learning. It enriched my life and broadened my horizons. Embracing change can lead to invaluable life lessons and self-discovery. Reflect on your journey of stepping out of your comfort zone. What did you learn from it? Give yourself permission to embrace change and go with the flow. Happy journaling!